Hi guys, welcome back. Right, in the vice tonight I have a Corbin. It's 5 pin, very good tolerances. There's a little bit of slop in the core actually, but nevertheless it's still a nightmare to open. I've had it in a naughty bucket, oh I don't know. Steensy sent me this one, I think probably 2 months ago. And I tried it a few times, couldn't get it open. I thought I'd get the naughty buck out tonight and have a go, and I managed to open it. So I'm gonna have a go opening it. I can't promise this is gonna be quick. Can't be quick with these. They're just too good. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I shall keep going until it's open. So I have opened it twice this evening. So I'm going to be going very gentle, literally as I say, very gentle. It gives very little feedback, so yeah, you couldn't go fast even if you wanted to, because it's very hard to know which pins are which pin you should be on. And if I go quiet, it's because I'm concentrating. It's the first time with a camera in between me and the lock, so again, just adds to the difficulty, I guess. Well, I'll know when I'm getting somewhere, because you start getting very little movements on the core, then you know you're going in the right direction. I've had nothing yet. And I really don't want to overset anything. There, I had a little, very small movement then on the core, which I'm quite excited about, because I know I'm going in the right direction. Then you start looking for feedback. Up until that point, I had nothing, and then really you still don't get a lot of feedback. As you start setting more pins, you tend to get a little bit more feedback. Just keep going up and down the stack. Try and find the next. I had a little click then on 2, and a very tiny movement of the core. Getting a little bit of feedback on 5 with a little bit of counter rotation. I lost the full set, as it were, and I didn't have really a big full set, but it's gone back to 12 o'clock, so 4 now feels like he's binding. Right, now that was 4 again, and I got the movement on the core again. So this feedback on 2 now, with a little bit of counter rotation. slipped off him, but I'm still getting feedback. Oh. And we're back to 12 o'clock again. So where are we? Let's click on 5. 1. Okay, we're open. I didn't know that was going to open then. 5, what's that? I don't know, about 4 minutes or something. Right, this I'm going to cut now, guys, and then I'm going to set up gutting it because I want to have a look what's inside of it. And I don't want the video to be majorly long, so I'm going to take the clip off. I'll set up for gutting. Oh, maybe I could do it quickly. Don't want anyone thinking there was any trickery. Right, let's put that there. Get rid of that. Let's do it this way. Okay. I got no key, so I've got to make sure I don't lock it back up when I try and do this. Actually, this clip looks like it will just pull off quite easily, which will be good. Maybe it won't pull off easily. I really don't want to. Oh, you bugger. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that out a little bit. I don't know if I can get on this clip. It's very small. We'll have a go. Yes, tight fit. Okay, got it. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's find a follower. That should be good. I done it. Woohoo! I'm quite pleased actually that I opened it. Now I'm just hoping I don't bugger up the gutting. Just not sure we don't drop all the pins everywhere. Okay. Core. Look at that, how deep all they are. I don't know if you can see that, but they are mega deep. Those pins. Every single one of them is majorly deep. Anyway, let's have a look at pin 1. Pin 1, standard. Alright, let's just rearrange the camera now. Alright, pin 1 is standard. I haven't got any tweezers with me. Pin 2, standard. Let's put them in their holes. See if we can find some tweezers a minute. God knows where my tweezers are. Balls. Anyway. Should have really. Now my missus has been tidying up, so no idea where my tweezers are. Right, that's 2 anyway. 1 and 2 are standard. 3 standard. I'm guessing they're all going to be standard, and all the drivers are going to be standard, but it's such good tolerances that it makes it a bugger to open. Yeah, 5 is standard. 5 looks like a anti-drill pin actually. Right, so I've got no tweezers. Ooh, bugger. I have to try and do it with me pliers. Okay, pin 1. It's standard. Put them up there. Pin 2. Is a spool. Pin 3 is a spool. Pin 4 is a spool. I wonder if pin 5 is going to be a spool. Pin 5 is standard. Yeah, so no crazy pins, no crazy springs. Springs look all the same, but the only reason it was hard to pick is the name on it, Corbin. So there we go, guys. Standard key pins and spools in 2, 3, 4, standard in 5, 1 and 5. There we go. That's a Corbin 5 pin, and I'm well chuffed that I opened that. Okay guys, see you later. I'll put this all back together and I'll be sending it on to the next victim. See you later.